How to verify the accuracy of your thermostat.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a question many homeowners and renters ask. How can I check if my thermostat is accurately reading the temperature? It's important to ensure your thermostat is working properly to maintain a comfortable living space and efficient energy usage. Let's dive right in.
Why is thermostat accuracy important?
Understanding why your thermostat needs to be accurate is the first step. Safety. A thermostat that reads too high or too low can result in unsafely hot or cold conditions. Energy efficiency. Accurate readings ensure you're not overusing your heating or cooling systems, saving you money. Comfort. We all want our homes to feel just right. An accurate thermostat ensures our comfort.
Tools you'll need.
To test your thermostat's accuracy, you'll need a few tools. A reliable thermometer. This will be used to cross-check the temperature reading from your thermostat. Notebook or notepad. To jot down readings at different intervals.
Performing the test.
1. Placement. Place the thermometer next to the thermostat but not touching it. Ensure there are no external heat or cold sources nearby, like vents or windows. 2. Wait and observe. Allow the thermometer to sit for about 15 minutes to stabilize and take an accurate reading. 3. Compare readings. After the waiting period, compare the temperature on the thermometer to the temperature reading on the thermostat. 4. Document. Write down both readings in your notepad. 5. Repeat. It's a good idea to repeat this process several times throughout the day, especially during different times when the external temperature might vary.
Interpreting results.
If the readings are consistently within a degree or two, your thermostat is likely accurate. If there's a significant difference, more than 3 degrees, it might be time to consider recalibrating or replacing your thermostat. Thanks for joining us on this temperature checking journey. Now you have the tools and knowledge to ensure your thermostat is working accurately. Remember, a well-functioning thermostat can save you money and keep your living space comfortable. Until next time, stay cozy and take care.